Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: Milestone splashdown for SpaceX Crew Dragon, then CityAirbus to be tested in Germany, and 3 Canadian airports among the world's best. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. NASA completed a critical step in its efforts to once again launch humans into space from American soil. A rich history bookmarked by Alan Shepard's 1961 space flight on board Mercury 7 and the cancellation of the Space Shuttle program in 2011. In early March, NASA launched SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule on an uncrewed test mission toward the International Space Station. Canadian Space Agency astronaut David St. Jacques and NASA astronaut Anne McLean performed a visual inspection of Crew Dragon's unassisted docking maneuver upon its arrival at the ISS. St. Jacques was the first astronaut to enter the docked spacecraft, which remained at the ISS for 5 days of testing and exploration. The Crew Dragon carried approximately 180 kilograms of supplies and equipment to the ISS, including a space test dummy named Ripley. The Canadian Space Agency explains that on March 5th and 6th, robotics controllers on the ground used Canadarm's cameras to inspect the exterior of the capsule. The Crew Dragon disengaged from the ISS on March 8th and after 6 hours splashed down in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Cape Canaveral. An aggressive testing timetable is planned for 2019, which might include crewed missions with both SpaceX and Boeing's Starliner within NASA's Commercial Crew Program. Airbus in Ingolstadt, Germany, for the first time unveiled a demonstration model of its CityBus aircraft, targeting the urban air mobility sector. The company ultimately expects the electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle to be fully autonomous. The CityAirbus is to be initially equipped with 4 140 kilowatt batteries, 8 rotors, and seating for 4. It is scheduled to begin testing this summer in Germany. Airbus is initially targeting a cruise speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour and a 50 kilometer range for CityAirbus. The 8 fixed-pitched propellers are powered by Siemens direct drive engines that rely on an equal number of 100 kilowatt electric motors. The fixed-pitch propellers of the CityAirbus present a different concept than Bell's recently introduced Nexus eVTOL, which features 6 tilting ducted fans. The Nexus is to be powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system being developed by Safran. Airports Council International, ACI, released its annual list of top global airports by size and region based on its Airport Service Quality Awards program, which measures passenger satisfaction for departures across 34 key performance indicators. Toronto Pearson International, Fort McMurray International, and Ottawa International were the lone Canadian winners in this year's survey. For the second consecutive year, Toronto Pearson, along with Dallas Fort Worth, was named as North America's best airport, serving more than 40 million passengers per year. Toronto Pearson was also named as North America's most improved airport. Ottawa International, along with El Paso International in Texas, was named as North America's best airport, serving 2 to 5 million passengers per year. Fort McMurray International, along with Portland International, was named as North America's best airport, serving less than 2 million passengers per year. In the program's new Best Infrastructure category, no fewer than 7 Indonesian and 8 Chinese airports are recognized in their size category, which mirrors growth trajectories of these regions in terms of the global commercial aviation industry. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider.